Hi everyone, hope you're having a good week. So this unit is going to be gardening and we're going to be doing a carrot greenhouse. And so I'm going to show you all of our things that we're going to be using today to make our garden greenhouse for the carrots. So we're going to be doing two experiments. So the one, we're going to already have pre-cut carrots, and with the tops, I kind of cut the tops off already. And then the second one we're going to do is we're going to be actually planting the carrot seeds inside. So I wanted to go over all of the materials we're going to be using today. So what I have here is I have 2 of the water bottles, and these are just plain water bottles that I got from the dollar store, and I removed the label, so easy peasy with that. And then I also got these from the dollar store as well, and this is not needed, but it just looks really cute at your final project right here. So it just kind of gives it a little added cuteness. And then I also got the carrot seeds from Walmart. And then the potting soil and all of that I also had from an earlier project, but I got that from the dollar store as well. So everything is pretty simple, it's not expensive, and it's easy to get. So let's get started with our project. So the very first thing I want you guys to do is, number one, since we're going to be using scissors for the first piece, I want you guys to always make sure that you let your parents or your family members know what you're doing, right? Because we always want safety for any project that we're doing. So let's get started. Okay, so you're going to be cutting around the top, so more towards the top of the bottle, but not all the way to the top, because we still want a little bit of the piece that's going to come over on the bottom half. So I'm going to get my scissors ready here, and I'm just going to cut along the side. It's nice and easy, guys. You guys just do this at a slow pace. There's no rush, just making it nice and even. So you can see that the bottom half right here looks like this. The top half, I still have the lid screwed on because that's going to make it like the greenhouse effect. That's going to keep all of our moisture and all of our water in, and that's going to help our carrots to grow. So I'm going to cut 3 slits on the side. So one on the side here, one on the back half, and then one on the other side. And the purpose of doing that, guys, is so that when I put it over here, it kind of makes a lid like this, okay? So the next thing I'm gonna do, and remember, this is not necessary, it's just, kind of a fun thing. I'm gonna put a few rocks on the bottom. Cool. And now I'm just gonna take some of the potting soil and put that in there. Remember, guys, when we're doing this, because we are using some soil and different things like that, and as you can see, some of the soil is going to spill over, so it's best to probably try to do this outside. I'm sure that would make mom and dad or grown-ups happy that you're doing it outside. So we're going to fill it almost to the top, not quite, because remember, we're going to be planting the bigger carrots for this one. And so after it's done, you're going to kind of shake it, kind of push it down with your fingers like this. You're going to take one of the carrot heads. You're going to use one of your fingers, kind of dig a little hole there, and place him inside. And then make sure that all of the soil is covering him until it's just the top. And this guy is a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go ahead and scoop a little bit more dirt to put on top of him. And then making sure that his little top is still outside of the soil, like that. Okay? Then I'm going to dig a little hole with my finger, put the next guy right next to him, and cover him with the soil as well, making sure that his little green top is still showing. Awesome. So we have this ready. We're just going to put the top on for right now, because when we're all finished with both, we're going to water both of them. And I'll show you that. So again, taking the scissors, cutting around towards the top, right? Cut, 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 being very careful. Okay, again, bottom, top. Getting some rocks, putting them on the bottom. Cool. Getting some of our potting soil. Cool. Pressing it down. Now taking some of our seeds, and as you can see, the seeds are tiny like this. They're tiny, tiny carrot seeds. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna dig a hole kind of right towards the middle, and you're gonna take a pinch of the seeds and put it inside that hole, then cover it up. Then you're gonna make another little hole with your finger, pinch of the seeds, then put them in that hole, cover them up. Last one, another little hole. I'm gonna take more of a pinch of my seeds, place them inside that hole, cover them up, and then whatever I have left in my hand, I'm just gonna kind of dump like that and make sure that I kind of put all of the dirt on top of it again. And voila. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the top off of the other one, and we're gonna get our water ready. And we're just gonna give both of our projects just a little bit of water, not too much, right? And then we're gonna put our tops back on both of our carrots. Oh, I'm sorry. And then remember, even I forgot this time, you're gonna cut the 3 slits so that it goes back over. And you're gonna put it on top like that. And then voila, you have 2 greenhouses. And so you're gonna put them probably in a sunny area. So like on the windowsill of like a sunny area. And then, so the greenhouse effect is where all of the moisture and the water is going to heat up from the sun, and it's gonna make our carrots grow nice and tall. So when you see them sprouting and when you see them growing, you want them to get to just a little bit of growth, and then you plant them in your planter or you plant them in a community garden, and then you have lots of carrots for the full year. So it's a really, really fun experiment, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. If you like this video and you want to continue to see more videos, remember to like it, to subscribe, and to put your notifications on so you know there's a new video. I can't wait to see you guys next time, and have a wonderful rest of the week. Thank you.